Welcome students. Today we are going to jump on to the revision video of physics. So in which the first chapter would be revised in this video, that is chapter number 1, matter. Now all we learned what is matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Every matter composed of tiny particles called as atoms. Now the characteristics of matter. Basically, there are 4 characteristics of matter. They are very small in size, they attract each other, they move in random motion, as well as the particles have some speed. Then over to which we are going to learn about intermolecular spacing as well as intermolecular force of attraction. Now what is intermolecular spacing? The space between the particles is called as intermolecular spacing, and the force of attraction between the particles is called as intermolecular force of attraction. Now in the states of matter, basically there are 3 states of matter. The classification of matter is in 3 states. They are solid, liquid and gases. Now the properties which decides the matter are its intermolecular spacing, its force of attraction, or which we are going to learn about the solid state. Intermolecular force of attraction in the solid state is more, while the intermolecular spacing is less. They are not free to move. While we go down to the liquid state, the intermolecular force of attraction is weak compared to that of the solid, and the intermolecular spacing is more. In liquid state, the particles are free to move. While if you go on for the gaseous state, intermolecular force of attraction is weak. Therefore, intermolecular spacing is also weak. Next we learned about change in states of matter. There exist 2 states in matter that changes. First is from solid to liquid, and the second is from liquid to gaseous. Now about the process of change of solid to liquid at a constant temperature is called melting point. Then we have to talk about the boiling point, the process at which the liquid state converts to gaseous state at a temperature is called boiling point. These are the typical 2 change in states of matter regarding solid, liquid and gaseous. The first was from solid to liquid and the second from liquid to gaseous. Now here are few examples of change in state of matter.
Few examples of change in state solid to liquid, liquid to gases are given below. Students, it represents the molecular model of solid, liquid and gases. Here the distinguished properties of solid, liquid as well as gases is given below. You have to learn it carefully as well. Properties of solid, liquid and gases. Above given the properties of gases, properties of liquid, and the next is properties of solid. These are important points to be noted as well as to be learned. Each of the points should be learned based on the chapter number 1, matter.